There are no obvious changes in the general appearance of the new car. It still uses the current big nostril design style. As time went by, we got used to this new style. It is very individual and authoritative in terms of visual appearance. The biggest change of the new model is in the interior of the car. It has been completely replaced with a dual-screen design consisting of a 12.3-inch LCD display and a 14.9-inch floating curved screen. There is also a multimedia system. The latest iDrive 8 human-computer interaction system that makes the user experience more seamless. At the same time, certain adjustments have been made in the optional configuration section of the new car. In terms of power, the new car is still equipped with the 2.0T low/high power engine. The maximum horsepower of the low-power version is 184 PS, while the maximum horsepower of the high-power version is 245 PS. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and is rear-wheel drive. The 4 Series, a rare two-door coupe model under the BMW brand, still has a wide audience. With its handsome appearance, stable and reliable power system and two-door coupe shape, it is still the choice of many young and middle-aged people.